Ladies and gentlemen, before you, we have the greatest wrestler of all time. I'm a 60-minute man today. Woo! Tony Schiavone, if I were to ask you, what do you know firsthand or personally that's worth $1 million and looks like $1 million, what would your first answer be? And I'm Ric Flair, and y'all know it. I'm going to turn you on tonight like you've never been turned on before. Because when that smoke clears and they hit that beat to 2001, pal, I'm going to bust in that ring. Woo! Looking as only I can look. So we're all going to go to school right here for a couple of minutes. Here comes the man. Showtime! I guess that's my cue. Can you imagine the rush the female population of the world gets when the world's heavyweight wrestling champion walks out on national television? Ooh, girls. Check this out right here, huh? Woo, what a man! That's right! Your world's heavyweight champion,